We have all been there, stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire or a dead battery. Waiting for roadside assistance can feel like an eternity. And even if you're lucky, it might take an hour or more. But what if you didn't have to wait? What if you could handle these emergencies yourself right then and there? With the right tools, you can skip the wait and get back on the road faster. Welcome to Professor's Garage. Today I will show you how to be prepared for two common car emergencies. Whether you are stuck with a flat tire in an inconvenient or unsafe spot, or your car just won't start, you don't need to rely on expensive and slow roadside services. Instead, you can tackle these problems yourself if you are equipped with the right gear. And we are going to put these tools to the test to make sure they hold up when it matters most. First, let's talk about a flat tire. Sure, you can swap it out for the spare, but let's be honest, it's not always that simple. If you have ever tried using the factory jack on the side of the road, you know what I mean. Plus, what if your spare tire doesn't have enough air for safe drive? That's a very likely if. Who checks spare tire pressure regularly? And here is something you might have noticed. Many modern cars, like some BMWs, don't even come with a spare tire. And that's why having a tire repair kit and a portable air compressor is essential. It's a quick and reliable way to plug a puncture and get moving again. If you notice a small puncture, your first priority is safety. If possible, move to a safer location. Once you are there, you will need to remove the object, clean the puncture, and apply the repair. Push the plug in until about half an inch remains and pull the tool out quickly. Trim up any excess and the hole is sealed. Very simple. Now, all you need to do is inflate the tire. That's where a portable air compressor comes in. In just a moment, I will test this portable battery to see if it's powerful enough to inflate a completely flat tire from 0 to 35 psi. Now, the dead battery, an even more stressful situation. You turn the key and nothing, or perhaps just click, click, click. But with this compact portable battery, you can get your engine running again in no time. Just clamp the positive to positive, negative to negative, and you are ready to go. In fact, my friend's car couldn't start the other day, and this battery saved the day. The car fired up on the first try. A larger version of this portable battery also doubles as a jump starter and air compressor combo. It's compact enough to store in your trunk but still packs a punch. It's got a 24,000 milliamp hour and 88.8 watt-hour capacity. After charging it fully, I left it in my trunk for a week and then stress tested it. First, I inflated a completely flat tire to 35 psi in 13 minutes. And then pushed it up to 40 psi. No problem. After that, I jump-started my Lexus, which had almost no battery left. It didn't work on the first try because of the dirty terminals. But after cleaning them, it started right up. Finally, I used it to inflate all 4 tires on the Lexus, adding about 5 psi's to each. All these were done on a single charge, and after that, it still had nearly 40% battery left. This device is impressive. It's got more than enough power to handle critical tasks in an emergency. For comparison, I have had this CAT 3-in-1 power station for about 4 years. It's reliable but bulky. In this test, though, it showed its age. It struggled from the very beginning to inflate the flat tire, and barely made it to 30 psi before giving out. For everyday use, this compact jump starter and air compressor combo has far exceeded my expectations. It's small enough to keep in your trunk, and with the tire repair kit, you will be ready for anything. Plus, it has useful features like USB charging and LED lights for emergencies. Having these tools on hand means you won't be stuck waiting for hours. Whether it's plugging a flat tire or jump-starting your car, being prepared makes all the difference. I hope this video gave you some helpful tips for the road ahead. Remember, if Professor can do it, you can do it too. Stay dirty, stay safe. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。